Bonjour and welcome to your French Summer Passport homework. This activity is designed especially for MYP Phase 1 to 2 students, grades 6 to 8, who are just beginning their journey in French. Whether you know a little or nothing at all, this is your chance to explore the French language and culture in a fun and relaxed way during your summer break. 1. Checklist of all 10 missions. You'll find a checklist with 10 exciting French missions. Your goal is to complete at least 5 of them. Each mission is easy, fun, and can be done from home using your creativity and curiosity. You can draw, write, take pictures, or even make a video. Tick off each mission as you complete it and collect your experiences in a notebook, folder, or printout. Download the checklist PDF from the website. 2. Sample word list with pronunciation. Learn to say words like Bonjour, Merci, and baguette, with pronunciation help and English translations. Practice saying them aloud or with a friend or family member. Download the word list PDF to follow along and watch the video to practice. 3. Reflection section. At the end of your tasks, take time to reflect. What was your favorite mission? What did you learn? How did it feel to explore a new language? Use the reflection prompts to write or draw your answers. Don't worry about spelling, just be honest and creative. Download the Reflection Prompts PDF and write your thoughts. 4. My French Word Bank. Write down your top 5 favorite French words from your activities. These might be words you remember, words you liked the sound of, or words that made you laugh. This is your personal French starter kit. Download the Word Bank template PDF to record your words creatively. 5. Postcard from France. Creative writing prompt. Imagine you're in France. What would you write on a postcard? Write a short note in English and add some simple French words you've learned. Tell us what you saw, what you ate, and how you felt. Draw a stamp or decorate it with your imagination. Download the postcard template PDF to create your own message. What to do after? When you return to school in June, bring your completed French passport with you. You'll get a chance to share your favorite moments and maybe even earn a surprise reward. I can't wait to see what you discover. Explore, create, and most importantly, have fun with French this summer. All activity PDFs can be downloaded from the website. Merci,